Hey guys, back with another video. This is going to be a HelloFresh Quick. We are making the chicken and guac burrito bowl. We pretty much got everything done. I got this cut up. I got our rice cooking. I'm about to put these peppers on the not the grill, the stove. But speaking of grill, we were going to make another video. We were going to do the gas grill. We were going to make a few steaks. Unfortunately, we had some mishap with the steak. We bought some bad products, so that didn't happen. We do have grill videos coming. I know you guys keep seeing the HelloFresh videos. There will be more videos that's not HelloFresh. I guarantee that. So I'm going to finish cutting this real quick. I got Tiffany holding the camera today instead of her being in front of the camera.
Got our chicken over here nice and ready to go.
Tiffany went out and watered the garden while I was cutting this stuff up, and she found our first zucchini.
Check this out. This is our first zucchini. Hopefully I didn't pull him off too early. Looks okay. We'll give him another day or so to ripen up real good, and then we're going to fry it up.
Alright guys, so we got...
I also had this tomato, but he's not quite ripe yet.
Ask a question in the comments. Maybe we can answer.
Yeah, the top of it looks like it's indented. I don't know if that's normal or if this means it's a bad one. Someone let me know.
Alright, so I'm going to let these peppers cook down. I'm going to get these going, and then once these cook down, I'm going to add the chicken. And once I add the chicken, I'll come back to the video where the chicken's cooking. Like I said, it's a HelloFresh short.
There's all.
It's a HelloFresh short. We're not making a whole video going through the whole process just because it was like a last minute thing, and it's currently like...
It's late. On another note, look at these cute little packs of guacamole they give you.
Looks like baby snot.
I love guacamole.
That's just disgusting. Alright guys, we'll be back.
Alright guys, so I'm over here putting the seasoning on this chicken. It is Southwestern Spice Blend. It says warm and smoky. Hopefully it's not too spicy. And then some salt and some pepper. So I'm just taking it easy. Trying not to make it too warm. Sometimes the stuff that they give you is pretty spicy. This is the chicken that's going to go on top of the rice bowls. That looks pretty good to me.
Oh yeah.
And so now I'm going to pass this chicken on to Eric for him to cook.
Alright, here, take this.
My dirty chicken hands?
Dirty chicken hands, yeah, let's not do that. So we're just going to bring this
wash
over
my
here.
hands real fast and I'll flip you.
Dirty chicken hands. It says to use olive oil, and we used our cooking and dipping spice. Just add oil. A bunch of herbs and spices. I think it gives it a better flavor. And then we got our, as always, the avocado oil. Peppers are over here cooking. Check on these. All right. Peppers, like, I don't know. I think they're done.
Well, let's just turn the heat down and keep the lid on so they get a little softer. I don't like hard green peppers on my food.
Yeah, me neither. I don't know why I did that. Something special, I guess. Alright.
This is the salsa fresco we made before we started the video. It's tomato, shallot, salt, pepper, and lime.
So just one-sided?
I only did one side.
Alright.
That's all it said. This also, this is the sauce for the top. It's sour cream drizzle. It's a couple packets of these little sour creams and some of this Chula hot sauce. I only used one because I don't like a lot of spice, and I figure if somebody wants more, they can put it on top of their own.
Alright, I got this chicken added in here. That chicken's gonna fry up. And we'll come back once everything's plated, you guys. And we'll just tell some thoughts. And as always, stay tuned for the afterthought. And then, yeah. Oh, crap. Alright, guys, so I'm sitting down. I got the finished product here. She's got hers.
Mine looks different because I have
Tilt that up.
I have the guacamole, I have sour cream, I have the peppers, I have everything that came with the kit in mine.
And mine is incredibly
His
boring
is lame.
looking. So
You get the same thing, so.
we're gonna dig into it and get eating. And as always, guys, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Like I said, this was a HelloFresh Quickie, guys. So gotta make them HelloFresh meals. There's always a link below in these videos for some money off your product when you want to buy some. As always, that does help us. And that's what's cooking today. Chicken and rice bowls. Oolé.